Okay, in French language there are two way to frame the sentences. First, when we use the subject as a question word. par exemple tu t'appelles comment. This is one way to ask the question. In similar this same question we can ask in other form, which we used as a quel est ton nom. Okay, the meaning of both the sentences is similar. Okay, this sentence mean also is what is your name and what is your name. Tu t'appelles comment et quel est votre or quel est ton nom. Okay, this is informal. And in the all the both the sentence framing we can use in the French language. So today we will learn how to we start with the question words. Okay, the first is how to we structure or what is the structure for the framing the sentences. Okay, when we are going to make the question sentence, question affirmative sentence. Okay, first we need to start with the question word. Okay, which is quel, or in femina quel, or we can use qui. These words we can use after we have to use the auxiliary verb auxiliary, or okay, then we have to use, this is a simple sentence making. Okay, in the structure is a question word plus auxiliary verb then plus sujet. So this is the structure we use in the French language when we are making the question sentences, questionable sentences. For example, in दोनों एग्जाम्पल को हम देखते हैं इसमें क्या सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन वर्ड कौन सा है और क्या है. ठीक है, in first, in second question we will see here quel is used as a question word, and a is used as a auxiliary, verb, and ton nom is a subject. We have used this as a object. Okay, so यहाँ पर सुजे को हमने ये जो सुजे ये here we have suje in second, in first format we have the sentence tu t'appelles comment which comes tu as a subject. ओके, क्यों यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करता है. और अगर हम इस फॉर्म को क्वेश्चन वर्ड से शुरू करेंगे तो ये जो तो नो है ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. ओके, so this is the structure we follow when we are making the question words. We will see other examples over here. Okay, you can see all the examples as follows. La primer example, tu t'appelles comment. The deuxième example, quel est ton nom. La troisième exemple est qui es-tu. Okay, then we have other example of the question word which is quelle est la nationalité or quelle est votre nationalité. We can use tu viens de où et tu habites où. Tu viens de où means where are you from, and tu habites means what is your origin and in which country you reside. Okay, qui es-tu means qui es-tu, what is your profession, what is your nationality. Okay, these question we can also rephrase in this manner: quelle est votre nationalité? Okay, and quelle est votre profession? So these questions we can frame when we are going to or making the sentences in question in the French language. So we will see some more examples in upcoming chapters. So we have to keep in mind the format and the structure of the questions. So there is one exercise for you. Please make some question sentences. Okay, affirmative sentences, and we are making group of 3 or 2 people, and you are having a 5-minute time. Just a moment, I'm just making a breakout room.